So, hi dear Scorpio, very good evening to you guys. This is Anjali Tarot, and this is a journal love reading for all the Scorpio Sun, Moon, Venus rising from 27th of January till the 2nd of Feb. The roles can be reversed, also please keep that in mind. If this story is not resonating with you, it's not your story. Want to be a reader like me? You can purchase my course. Link is in the description box for the same. Want to start your self-healing journey with Ho'oponopono, the best healing modality of the whole universe? Masterclass link given below. For personal readings and healing sessions also, link are given below. Okay, links are given below. Let's start, Scorpio. Your person or your partner's current feelings for you right now at this present moment are, let's see what's happening. Yep. We have this Three of Pentacles. So someone here is very interested in collaboration partnership between you and them. Maybe they feel like they have to take help from somebody else in order to make this connection work out as it used to be, or for this collaboration or partnership to come together or come back together. Let's clarify this Three of Pentacles in order to get the clear picture of the situation here, honey. Let's see what we have. We have the King of Wands, the Six of Swords, and the Queen of Wands. Wow. See, this is someone who is definitely feeling like you guys are made for each other kind of a deal. There is some issues going on between you guys that they feel like they can find a peaceful solution to. Maybe with the help of somebody else. I don't know why I'm feeling like there's a requirement or need in this connection to take help from somebody else so that it can be resolved between you guys. Hmm? But this is someone who definitely feels like making this connection work out very beautifully and finding a peaceful solution to the problem or problems that you're facing in the situation between you and them. So King of Wands, Queen of Wands, even if they are not seeing eye to eye, there is a lot of attraction, there's a lot of passion, there's a lot of fire, and this person can't deny that. Let's see, what do you feel about this particular person or situation from your side, Scorpio? We have the Four of Wands. You feel like having something stable on the table, a commitment kind of energy on the table, something that's going to last longer, not only just the happy-go-lucky part. Okay, let's clarify the Four of Wands here. We have the Ace of Wands, the Ace of Pentacles, the Four of Swords. See, you feel like having a brand new energy in your love and relationship area. For most of you, it's a brand new person that you're hoping for and wishing for and praying for in your life. For others of you, it could be the same person, but you are manifesting uh, a beginning kind of energy, a brand new beginning kind of energy, starting from scratch kind of energy, and healing whatever happened between you guys. But you feel like having a beautiful connection that's going to convert into a commitment kind of energy down the line with a very healed kind of approach, with a very beautiful healing kind of energy from both the sides. Let's see what this person wants from you. What are their intentions for the situation between you and them, honey? We have the Death and the Rebirth. So their intention is to give it another shot. Whatever happened. They want to put an end to something that was bothering this connection, that was kind of making this connection go in south direction from north. So they want to have a breakthrough here and want to have a brand new beginning. It's like a rebirth they want. Scorpio, this is your energy only. They want you in their life. It's not like that something happened and they just want to say goodbye. Let's clarify the Death and Rebirth, honey. Mm-hmm. We have the Four of Wands, the Three of Pentacles, the Wheel of Fortune. Yeah. See, right now, maybe this person is not capable of giving you the commitment kind of energy that you're looking forward to have. But down the line, this is their plan that if it is going to work out beautifully between me and Scorpio, I will commit to them. I will give them the commitment kind of energy also down the line. But it's right now, it's not possible. Right now, it's not happening. But down the line, I'm sure I'm going to give it to Scorpio someday. So they want to work things out between you and them to the level of understanding where things are going. And then they want to think about this commitment part or long term part or marriage part, maybe. Yeah. but you want this promise from the start only. That's the deal here. That's the issue here, I guess. Let's see, what do you want from this particular person or situation from your side, Scorpio? Page of Pentacles. So from your start, all you want is a brand new beginning in your love and relationship area, letting go of everything and everyone that you were connected to, and it was not giving you anything in return. You want to have a brand new beginning, a start, a spark and a start. Let's clarify the Page of Pentacles here. We have the Queen of Cups, the Five of Wands, and the Ten of Wands. Yeah. It's like you want to fill your own cups before you are going to go forward and give your love to anybody else. You want to come out of all the conflicts, all the dramas, all the weighing down kind of energies, all the stressful energies. You want to let go of everything that happened in the past, even if it happened yesterday. And you want to fill your own cup of love with self-love, self-care, self-healing, and then start a brand new chapter with other person, other people, starting from a friendship kind of a deal. You're open to explore basically, and you want to have something solid by your side gradually. But you want what you but what you know very well what you want, and you're routing for that. Let's see what's coming forward towards you till the 2nd of Feb, honey. Scorpio. We have the Nine of Wands, walls up, boundaries high. What's happening? Let me see. Let's clarify this Nine of Wands. We have this Moon, the Six of Wands, and the Five of Cups. See, it's like even if you guys are having a soul connection between you and them, you guys are scared to open up to each other to the level that you guys should. At least one of you. There is a lot of fear between you and what you deserve or what you desire. Lot of fear, and this fear is again and again manifesting in the form of issues, complications, challenges and obstacles in this particular situation. So I do see, even if you are feeling you're ready, you're not able to open up completely to a situation that you feel is good for you. And same from the other side, it's a mutual energy, same fearful energy shared by two people, and that's coming out as a very challenging and very full of challenges kind of energy in the 3D world. Yeah, it's difficult. Anyways, so for the outcome, I do see this desire to make something work out, but out of fear, things are not going the way they should. Guidance for you, Ace of Wands. Listen to your intuition, Scorpio. Where is the intuition? Listen to your gut, basically, you can say. If your gut is telling you to, that you are ready and you can move forward in a new direction, you can do that. But if your gut is telling you to stop, take your time and heal yourself and do something about your own energies, your own feelings, your own things first, then listen to your gut. Then do that. Yeah. So thank you so much for tuning in, Scorpio. We'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye. Take care. God bless you. Namaste.